Hello and welcome to kiiff.com. This is part 2 of the WordPress walkthrough series. We will be installing a theme on our domain and updating WordPress. As it turns out, an update came out, so we'll go through that. We start in the cPanel of our domain kiiff.org, and we scroll down to WordPress. And we can see that an update is available under this Autaculous apps installer notification. It told us that an update was available. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Log in as an admin, and then you will see a little notification here. Click Updates, and then just click Update Now. Alright, and that's it. The update is complete. It's all automated through WordPress, and you can see that 4.9.4 they addressed one bug. So it's not these tiny patches are important, of course. Bug fixing is very important, but they don't take very long at all. So the next thing we're going to do is install a theme. So we'll go over here to Themes. Click Add New Theme. And we can look through here on the list inside WordPress, and we might be able to find something good. So the business that we're looking to do is we're going to make a roofing business website. So a service business, really. You could use this for, it doesn't have to be a roofing business that would use this type of website. It's going to be more of a generically service related business, so plumbing or electrical, etc. So let's just see if we can find a template in here. So all I did was just search roof there in the top right, and it looks like we got a couple of them came up. This one over here doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's called roofers, so I don't think it'll be too bad. The light themes that you see, generally those are free, but you have to pay for the upgraded version. So they might give you that and then not give you certain modules or plugins or widgets. I generally try to stay away from the light themes because they really, to use the whole functionality, you really need to buy it. So I'm going to try to get this done with without purchasing a theme. Try to create a nice website here. So we'll try this roofers theme. So we just click install. And it was installed. We click activate. And this was the site before. And now this is the site. So of course you have they don't just import all the content to make it look like their demo. You sort of have to recreate it that way if that's the look you're going for. So very blank and boring right now, but we'll change this all around, and I'll start by we'll just do a few basic customizations here. So go into customize, and we just want to change the title and the tagline. So we're going to be all weather roofing. And our tagline is going to be roofing for any season. We probably won't keep this up here, the title and the tagline will, because a logo looks a lot better than the text. So I will create a logo most likely and put it up here. But for now, we'll publish that. We want to make sure that the home page displays a static page, not the latest posts, and that it is an actual home page. And the post page, well, right now I'm not going to create this website with a blog. It'll just be a static site, informational site. But blog is fine as for the post page. We'll take a look at the menus here. I don't have any social media accounts created, but I will keep these on just because your business should have social media, and that's very important to advertise on your website. So just looking through the widgets here, trying to see what is available for us to use from a customization standpoint. And you can see that the sidebar, find us, search about this site, that is all going to be right here. So it's on the About Us page, just find us, search about the site. So they do have some nice looking widgets that we might be able to use. I can certainly see probably a 3-column or maybe 4-column layout that goes across and have some text with some pictures on either an About Us and or gallery page. That's going to be it for this video. Just a short installing the theme and updating WordPress. And we might not use this theme going forward. We might find that we came across some things that the theme just can't support what we want to do, and that happens. So especially when you're working with the free themes. So we will just work it out from here, and I'll see you guys in part 3. Thanks for watching.